Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Unstoppable NVIDIA, surpassing Amazon and Tesla combined market cap. Alibaba's shares take a hit amid $5 billion bond offering reports. Starbucks and activist crosshairs following missteps. SEC's green light to spot Ethereum ETFs marks crypto victory. CVS Health eyes investor for Oak Street expansion. Rising concerns over new COVID flirt variants as FDA postpones vaccine meeting. And Merck's HPV vaccine shows promising reduction in men's head and neck cancer rates. Stay tuned after the short ad break to delve deeper into these headlines. NVIDIA, a company specializing in the production of AI chips, saw its stock value skyrocket beyond $1,000 per share for the first time. This significant increase came after surpassing Wall Street's targets for the first quarter and their forward guidance. The sudden surge added an astounding $175 billion to NVIDIA's market capitalization overnight. This growth has made it larger than other notable companies such as Caterpillar and American Express. The driving force behind this impressive performance is NVIDIA's CUDA software platform, which supports its AI chips.
NVIDIA's market capitalization has skyrocketed, exceeding the total worth of Amazon and Tesla combined. This places it as the third largest company on Wall Street. The leader in artificial intelligence and semiconductors has experienced a significant surge of 111.3% in 2024 alone, with an astonishing growth rate exceeding 19,000% over the past 10 years. NVIDIA's shares are also included across 501 exchange-traded funds, providing diverse investment opportunities.
Shares of Alibaba in Hong Kong experienced a 5.24% decrease due to speculation about a possible issuance of convertible bonds worth $5 billion. This funding is intended for share repurchases and growth strategies. This comes after Alibaba expanded its buyback program by an additional $25 billion, marking one of the largest ever in China's history. Concurrently, the New York Stock Exchange shares of Alibaba saw a decline exceeding 2.5% during pre-market trading.
Shares of Starbucks experienced a 16% drop following the reduction of its full-year guidance. This has led to conjecture regarding possible activist involvement. Don Bilson, an analyst, proposes that Pershing Square, under Bill Ackman's leadership and a former investor in Starbucks, might be the activist. Howard Schultz, the company's ex-CEO, has expressed criticism toward Starbucks' emphasis on customer experience in light of unsatisfactory second-quarter earnings.
The United States Securities and Exchange Commission has given the green light to applications from NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, CBOE Global Markets, along with 5 other entities to list exchange-traded funds that invest directly in Ethereum. This unforeseen approval marks a substantial triumph for the realm of cryptocurrency. Nevertheless, issuers require additional SEC approval prior to launching these products. The decision paves the way for potential opportunities for other digital currencies as well.
Reportedly, CVS Health is in search of a private equity partner to aid in the expansion of its primary care company, Oak Street Health. The healthcare behemoth's goal is to finance new clinics and potentially contemplate a joint venture to counterbalance initial losses. Nevertheless, the finalization of the deal and the structure of ownership remain uncertain.
The United States Food and Drug Administration has postponed an important conference to determine the composition of upcoming COVID-19 vaccines. This delay is due to a rise in cases associated with new flirt variants, KP.2 and KP.1.1, which are derived from Omicron. The purpose of this delay is to collect additional data. However, it will not impact the availability of vaccines for the fall immunization campaign.
Recent research indicates that men who were administered Merck's HPV, pronounced as HPV, or human papillomavirus vaccine known as Gardasil, have significantly lowered their chances of contracting head and neck cancer. This study scrutinized the health records of approximately 3.5 million Americans and discovered a reduced number of HPV-related cancer cases among those who received the vaccination. These results are set to be shared at the 2024 ASCO, spelled out as ASCO, or American Society of Clinical Oncology annual meeting.
And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay invested. Until next time, keep turning ideas into wealth. Farewell. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. See you later, until tomorrow comes around. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.